Try this head wrap with me today using paper material. So I'm going to start immediately. What you need is just get that your paper material or your second material or any other material available and try this out. The division is going to go for 30-70, which means one part is going to be a bit shorter than the other part. Then you fold into equal parts after dividing the material. Once you are done dividing the material, now it's time to begin. Just take a bit up and begin to fold it down. Make it the way it is shown on the screen, guys. Just take your time and make the pleats down. Take it down, everything down, and pick your elastic band to secure. Once you are done securing the pleated part, now place it on your head like this. Stretch it out and place it on your head. Now make a pleat on the first side and the other side, just to get it smooth and well aligned. Now go to the back and cover up. If you don't want to cover up the middle part, just use your hand to pack all the excess at the middle and come to the back to twist it the way I just twist it and take excess forward. The excess you have, twist it in, just twist everything down here. I started with the shorter part, which is 30. I twisted it, take it to the back. Then I have the band still there. I'm going to dip it in there and pull the excess out, which is going to be little. Then I have the 70 left. I'll repeat the same process by twisting it down. When you are twisting, make sure you twist in and not out. After twisting, I'm going to take that one to the front and roll it round because it's a bit longer. So I'm going to roll it around like once. Find a way to secure it to be firm. Just focus your eyes and see what I do there. Once you have secured it there, you have little excess left. Then you're going to use it to make like a rose. Just take it round to form a rose shape. Once you have formed the rose shape, you need office pins to secure the edge. The two edges of the rose to be able to stand. So I'm here with the office pin and I'm here securing. After securing the pleated parts earlier, I'm going to take it sideways, secure it down, then bend the hub here down to meet the rows I made earlier. Join them together, adjust all the adjustables, take your time to adjust, make sure you adjust properly, and you make sure that after adjusting it is giving what you want before you secure with office pin. Secure both together and you have this. If you have watched to this length, do like, share, follow for more, and leave your comment back.